Okay, good morning. My name is Professor Kone Daouda, the Director of Capacity Building of WASCAL, based in Accra. I'm leading the Capacity Building Department, and through that, we are having a collaboration with AICCRA. AICCRA is accelerating the impact of CGIAR climate research for Africa. This is a project working in collaboration with WASCAL and the Forum to achieve a goal for streaming the climate research activities inside the university curricula. What is about the climate research activity is about the training climate change, particularly the mainstreaming climate smart agriculture and climate information service into the university curricula. So we started this program. The objective of these activities is to enable every student coming from any university of Africa, at the end of this training program, you should be aware of what is about the use of climate information service and also the use of climate smart agricultural technology for the adaptation process for the benefit of our end users and also the community in West Africa. So WASCAL and the Forum has been engaged through this collaboration with AICCRA. So WASCAL is taking care of some of the institutions, working with University of University of Cheikh Anta Diop in Senegal, AICCRA in Mali. Those are the three target countries. In addition to that, we are working with also the other countries in the WASCAL network for the spillover aspect. What we have done so far, before coming to the development of the curricula, we did a gap assessment, just to evaluate people who are using the climate information service and climate smart agricultural technology in the curricula. We did this gap assessment to identify the gap, and also we did also a need assessment to identify also what is the need for the university lecturer to use those technologies. And now, after we prioritize what is really the priority, after the prioritization, we move now to the development of training materials. These are the curricula. Doing that, we have been able to develop some training material. We are now sharing this training material in Abidjan meeting. We did it last week in Kumasi, where we shared this with lecturers in Kumasi, deans, head of the department, and in Abidjan also we are sharing that with the university across Cote d'Ivoire, deans, head of the department, vice chancellor, deputy vice chancellor. So the training is very important. People also are really embarked and also are really committed to learn more about these technologies and also to use it. We want to discuss with them at the end of the training where we can move to how they can adopt and use the material for the benefit of the student. We have a session, theoretical session, and we also a practical session. Tomorrow we are going to a field to see what is about those technology. People can touch the technology about the climate information service and the climate smart agriculture technology. We have a group, different group. Here we are working also with farmers group and also with essential service people who came for the meeting. And they really have done a lot of commitment, and also they have done also a lot of suggestions how to take this from the university to the end users also. I think tomorrow will be the practical activities so people can touch all of the technology and know more about it. At the end of the training, we expect to get some additional support from the university to give to people some encouragement how they can use those technologies, and also where the university also can support in terms of making available some teaching aid and also some teaching material for the benefits of all the students. So this is where we are today for this training, and it's very important. We are developing other material will be also shared, put on a forum platform, and make accessible for the end users and also for the lecturer in all the universities in West Africa and also in Eastern Africa. Thank you.